Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever started your city taxes in TurboTax and later realized you don't need them, or maybe you just made a mistake, today's guide is for you. I'm going to walk you through the full 2025 step-by-step process to finish or completely delete any unwanted city tax forms inside the TurboTax app. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up your tax return without stress. First, open your browser and head to the official TurboTax website. In the top right corner, you'll see Sign In. Click it and log in using your TurboTax username and password. This takes you straight to your personal dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section labeled 2024 Taxes. This is where all your current year information lives. Click it to access your in-progress return. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu. Click Tax Tools. A drop-down will appear. Choose Tools. This is where the real cleanup happens. Inside Tools, select Delete a Form. TurboTax will now display every form that's attached to your tax return, including city-specific tax forms. Next, click Review Form List. Scroll through carefully until you find the city tax forms you no longer need. Double check that you're deleting the correct ones. This is important because once they're gone, you'd have to re-enter them if you change your mind. When you've found the unwanted form, hit the Delete button next to it. TurboTax will ask you to confirm. Click Delete Selected Form, and just like that, the form is permanently removed from your return. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can finish or delete your city tax forms in TurboTax, keeping your return neat and accurate for 2025. If this video saved you time, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no-nonsense tax tips. Drop any questions in the comments. I read them all, and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing.